Hello, my name is Hawa. I'm a content trader. Good afternoon, Dewi. Thank you for your coming and speaking directly. I heard there were something things you wanted to share from the student perspective.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for taking the time. Yes, I am here on behalf of many fellow students we often eat here. We really appreciation happy convention cafeteria on campus, but lately we have noted a noticeable change.
Oh, I suspect there are complications. Could you explain in more detail what you're experiencing?
Sure, man. To main things. First, the price of food and drink have in research 17 times in recent times. Even to or budget a student is limited. Second, along with this increases the quality and fortunes heavy discretion. For example, the R forward slide disease, the test is less consistent and commitment, the vegetable press as before as result many of my friend are hesitant to it here.
I understand your current theory. Actually, we also have challenged the price of raw material, gas, electricity, and labor wages are also constantly rising. If we don't raise prices, obviously readers, portion sizes, and canteen will struggle to operate and cold close all together. That will benefit anyone.
I fully understand the difficulty. Moms, we don't want the content to close. Our goal is to demand drastic fine for reductions, but to find a fair compromise. For example, could the prices remain the same, but with reasonable and gradual increase? Or after some would get friendly, minus with standard version but still mentally quality. Furthermore, if we had been informed of the French increases earlier, we could have beef better preferred.
The idea of budget-friendly menus sound quite reasonable. We should also make the price list and standard personalized size clearly explain that to avoid any misunderstanding. As for the insurance, we try not to make it sudden and from at least a week in advance.
That's very helpful, ma'am. We also promise to communicate this to our fellow students to be more appreciative of the food and specialties. To that, the content, hard work is also appreciated.
Okay, Dewi, we agree to try with adjustment starting next week. We hope the good relationship between the students and the canteen will continue.
Thank you very much, more. We hope the result are satisfactory to both parties.